Test, test, test. Okay, Magnetos, we got a good start. Oil pressure is checked. Fuel pump is off. Fuel pressure is checked, and it is good. Mixture is lean for taxi. Primer is in and locked. Avionics are on and powering up. Ammeter check, and it is charging. Lights are as required. Transponder to standby. It is on standby. Park and brake off. We got a brake check and a gyro indicator check. Indicator north and north. And we're taxiing out. Brake check. Brake checks operational. Gyro checking the turn. And we'll make our call. Checklist, seatbelts, secure. Flight control, flight instruments are set. Avionics are set. Let's go ahead and put the time in here though. 9:22. VSI is indicated 0. So the flight instruments are set. Avionics is set for what we need for the traffic pattern. Mixture is rich below 5,000. Throttle coming up to 2,000 on the RPM. Starting the brake. Pressure and the temperatures are stable and normal. There's 2,000. Left magneto, back to both. Right magneto, back to both. That's the 175 total drop, 50 differential. No suction gauge, ammeter with the landing light is charging. We're going to get the carburetor heat on. Carburetor heat operational. And pressures and temperatures are all in the normal range. Oil temperature will come up slowly. Back down to idle. Aircraft continues to run. Check it with the carburetor heat. Run. Back to 800. All right, back on the checklist. Avionics GPS set. Elevator trim is set for takeoff. Brake and rudder. Brakes are released. Rudder is set. The neutral fuel pump is on. Transponder, going to go to ALT on the transponder. Altitude mode, parking brake is off, verified off. Needle heat not required. Light RS required. We'll get the landing light on for takeoff. Mixture is set for density, altitude. Doors are locked. And the time, we're going to call it at 9:45. We're going to go full throttle, take off at around 60 knots. We won't have any flaps for the takeoff. It'll be a normal take. So let's go through the before takeoff. We have batteries, power, fuel, landing light. Flaps are normal. Mixture is rich. Carburetor heat is off. And that's it. Lights, camera, action. Lights are all on. Camera, transponder, action. Good to go. Headland traffic, Cherokee 40850, hold a short runway 27 for closed traffic. Headland traffic. Fuel tank is on the fullest tank. Headland traffic, Cherokee 40850, departing runway 274, left closed traffic, Headland. Going to use full length of the runway for takeoff. Heels to the floor. Get lined up on the runway center line. I'm looking at 2727. And we're taking off. Our compass is a little off here. 2,000 pressure, the temperature is normal, accelerating to full power. Airspeed indicator is
no Michael Jackson, the remix.
She just a tight ride, trying to figure out how you could play a major part of her life, right? Cause shorty got her mind tight, and every time you see her walk by, I start thinking about your nightlife. She all that's in your eyesight, and ever since the first day you seen her, thinking she the white type. You figure she'll be perfect loving you, fantasize the tingle from her fingers rubbing you, trying to analyze the situation. You feeling crazy, wanted it forever. What's so special about this lady? Feeling like you wanna pull back, but you know you perfect for her. You got all of what them fools lack. Maybe you should make this thing happen. Brains and things swinging on the porch while the kids napping. You got everything else you need. Snatch her up, fill that empty space. She can make it like complete.
All you got to do is walk away and pass me by. Don't ignore
Cherokee 40850, turn left crosswind, runway 27, close traffic, Headland.
say hello to you, yeah. And all you got to do is not answer my calls when I'm trying to get through. Keep me wondering why, when all I can do is sigh. I just wanna touch. I just wanna touch and kiss, and I wish that you would be again.
Headland traffic, Cherokee 40850, left downwind, runway 27.
You give me butterflies inside
excited, said you need what she got. Enticing, mommy like the cream of the crop. Pressure getting heavy, about to make your heart pop. All your life you waited for this chick. Nobody told you it to feel like this. Do anything just to feel that kiss. Wanna give her whatever you got. In front of millions, making known whatever the plot. Sing.
Clear. Gas on the carriage. Gas is on the carriage is fixed. Mixture is rich. Power set. Seatbelts. Switches are all where they need to be. Head of top Cherokee 850. Turn final runway 27. Touch and go.
You give me butterflies inside at night.
Traffic Cherokee 850 is on the go, runway 27, remaining close traffic headline. Pressures and temperatures are normal. Headland Traffic Cherokee 850 is trying to crosswind, runway 27, Headland. Headland Traffic Cherokee 850 is turning downwind, runway 27, Headland. Okay, before landing, PPFF, power, pitching for 80, power set. We're within the white arcs, first notch flaps introduced. Headland Traffic Cherokee 850 is turning left, base runway 27, full stop Headland. Correction, be a touch and go Headland. Final is clear. Gas is on, undercarriage fixed. Mixture is set. Power set. Seatbelt secure. Shetland traffic Cherokee 850 is turning final runway 27, touch and go. Shetland. Okay, you got my aiming point is runway 27, the 27 on the runway. Should land about 200 feet beyond that, but these winds being as strong as they are, might not even be that. Got to watch our ground speed is 67, so we're increasing our airspeed so that we won't get around the stall margin for the aircraft because we do have really strong runway winds right down the runway, which is slowing us down across the ground. Pressures, the temperatures are normal, and we're taking off. And Headland traffic Cherokee 850 is on the upwind, runway 27, remaining close traffic Headland. Headland traffic Cherokee 850 is turning crosswind, runway 27, Headland. Pressures and temperatures are good. 18 minutes before our tank switch over. Headland traffic Cherokee 850 is turning downwind, runway 27, Headland.
Information, Charlie, Tom 15500, wind 27015, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 18, dew point 09, altimeter 2998, visual approaching use plane.
And before landing check, EFF, power. And a pitch for 80. First notch flaps. Finals clear. Headland traffic Cherokee 850 is turning left base, runway 27, Headland. Final is clear, gas is on, undercarriage is fixed, mixture is rich, power is set, seatbelt is secure. Headland traffic Cherokee 850 is turning final runway 27, be touch and go. Headland.
Carl Folsom traffic, Skyhawk 65 Hotel is over midfield 3500, will be a simulated engine failure. Carl Folsom.
Pressure, the temperature is good. And Headland traffic, Cherokee 850 is on the go, runway 27. Be a right turn out to the north. Headland.
Carl Folsom traffic, 25 Hotel is left downwind, runway 1. Carl Folsom.
And Headland traffic, Cherokee 850, pardon the traffic pattern to the north. Headland traffic.
Carl Folsom traffic, 65 Hotel is turn and final 1.
Check.
Hotel, go around and partner for
Speed is good. Follow is so. Let's go to the cruise. Follow is full. Actually, it's set to 75%.